Which company made Elon Musk blast off into the list of the richest people on Earth? Simple answer, Tesla. Tesla reported revenue of $11.96 billion, a nearly 100% increase from the $6.04 billion generated in the second quarter of 2020. And the customers of Tesla are growing, so Elon Musk has to do something to meet up with all the demand. That's why a new Gigafactory, which is the name of the Tesla manufacturing site, is being built in Germany. Even though it was supposed to start its journey in July 2021, it got a 6-month delay. And that's why Elon Musk is being mocked by the English automotive industry. But why? Let's find out today. Ever since Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced the building of the carmaker's 4th Gigafactory near Berlin towards the end of 2019, his plans have been viewed by many as a declaration of war against Germany's top 3 auto manufacturing groups. Those are Volkswagen, BMW and Daimler, with its Mercedes brand. Apart from planting top-notch electric vehicle know-how into the heart of Europe's car-making industry, Tesla has also aspired to show the local competition that a huge plant could be built in record time. The 1st of July was supposed to be a day of celebration for Tesla, the opening of its self-styled Gigafactory in the tranquil German municipality of Grünheide, just outside Berlin. But thanks to fierce environmental resistance, red tape, and planning tweaks, it is completely unclear when the first vehicles will roll out of production line at the carmaker's first European factory. Since beginning work on the sprawling plant in early 2020, Tesla has faced setback after setback over issues such as environmental impact and permitting. It all meant that Tesla is way behind schedule in opening up the factory, the cornerstone of its European strategy, where it plans to churn out 500,000 cars annually. The construction of the Gigafactory has been strongly opposed due to its environmental impact. Tesla said it's only Germany's red tape that has kept Giga Berlin from opening. The company had to delay the start of its Model Y production there one more time after the State Environment Office in Brandenburg allowed a redo of an online discussion for locals who object to the huge plant in their neighborhood. In an effort to protect itself and Tesla from future legal attacks, the State Environmental Agency has decided to repeat public discussions. The debate took a more heated tone after Tesla confirmed that, besides building its car-producing unit, it would also build a large battery cell production plant on the same premises in Grünheide near Berlin. The final round of discussion ended on the 22nd of November. Tesla has also met fervent opposition from environmental groups who are concerned about the mammoth plant's impact on the local wildlife and water supply. Activists have mounted demonstrations and gone through the court to make their voices heard. In February 2020, as Tesla prepared the site for construction, a German court ruled that the company had to temporarily stop clearing trees while it considered objections from the Green League. Courts told Tesla to suspend deforestation efforts again in December after activists complained that construction was disturbing the habitats of hibernating snakes and lizards. Besides the issue of disturbing the lizards, it seems there was another concern regarding the Gigafactory. Since the start of the project, Tesla has been faced with the tricky question of where to get enough water from in a region that has been plagued by numerous years of dry summers, seeing groundwater levels sink considerably. At a recent county fair that Tesla organised for the circa 9,000 local residents, the carmaker allowed a sneak peek of its production facility. It was also meant to win over skeptics of the project. While visitors reported that they were deeply impressed by the top-notch technology on display inside Giga Berlin, environmental concerns persisted. So far, the Brandenburg agencies have not released details on how long it will take to evaluate objections raised by local residents and issue final approval or rejection, which is largely considered to be highly unlikely. Experts believe, however, that the plant could start operating as soon as December or early January at the latest. It is understood that Tesla will be able to obtain final approval, but these conversations will further delay when the first car can roll off the production line. Now, obviously all of that didn't make the Tesla boss happy. Responding to reports on Twitter, Musk wrote, "Sigh. What they are doing is just not right." Musk also commented on Tesla's lack of overall approval for the factory. "I think there could be less bureaucracy. That would be better. There should just be some kind of active process for the removal of rules. Otherwise, over time, the rules will just accumulate and you get more and more rules until eventually you can't do anything. But what does Boris Johnson have to do with Gigafactory getting delayed for operation? Well, it seems that Tesla rejected British land as the potential place for the next Gigafactory and chose Germany back in 2019. So, seeing Elon Musk suffering from this exact thing is making all the automotive industry in the UK mock him. In 2019, Elon Musk picked Germany for his new car factory over the UK. A large reason for which was Brexit, embarrassing Boris Johnson as he prepares to pledge a clean energy revolution. When Musk made that decision, the Prime Minister was due to make a televised speech at an electric car plant in the West Midlands. But the visit risks became overshadowed by Musk's change of heart. Musk claimed that the uncertainty caused by Brexit made it too risky to build the factory in the UK, a comment set to infuriate the British business community. Brexit made it too risky to put a gigafactory in the UK, Musk said, referring to Tesla's new battery and electric vehicle plant. He added that his decision was influenced by Germany's strong track record in engineering. Speaking to promote his Brexit deal in the past, Boris Johnson claimed investors would be ready to unleash development plans in the UK if the deal is passed. But Johnson faced renewed criticism that his deal was a harder Brexit that will deter companies. And that is exactly what happened with Tesla. Musk announced plans for a UK-based research centre as long ago as 2014, but those plans have since been shelved. Brexiteers have long hoped that Germany's auto industry would put pressure on Merkel's government to give Britain favourable terms in a trade deal. So after all that, it is quite obvious that Elon Musk will be facing some backlash from the British community as his business-friendly allies in Berlin delay his plans. Many British experts are criticising Elon Musk by saying that he is to swallow a bitter pill after making the decision to choose Germany over Brexit Britain to manufacture his electric cars. Experts are saying that he may now be coming to terms with the realisation that he made the wrong choice. He suggests that even if the plant opens, this is likely to continue, looking at past history in Europe. Brexit or no Brexit, the UK is still a very lucrative automotive market after all, he adds. Even though Germany has a strong track record in the automobile industry, a number of EU acts were influential in shaping the system of environmental law in Germany, which has caused delays over concerns about water usage and pollution. The UK has in the past been the preferred location for the manufacturing of non-European car brands, as it had direct access to the EU, but with looser labour laws. And the UK also has its own supplies of lithium, a crucial component in most rechargeable battery chemistries, which Cornish Lithium and British Lithium hope to exploit. This is both from mining and brine, geothermal underground water which has a high lithium content. These companies have claimed that there will be enough local lithium to power the entire UK EV fleet. But it seems Tesla's boss is keeping the past in the past and focusing on the future. Back in May, Musk visited the Gigafactory Berlin construction and commented on the production timeline. It's hard to predict with precision because you can only make the cars when all of the pieces are here. It looks like we're able to start production at the end of the year. It also seems some trial EV production activities may be ongoing at Tesla's Germany-based factory. During a recent flyover of the massive Grünheide site, several Tesla Model Y units that seemed to have been produced in the facility were spotted rolling out of Gigafactory Berlin. The all-electric crossovers then proceeded to head over to the site's test track. Let's see what 2022 holds for the Berlin Gigafactory. So, that's all folks. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in another video. Ta-ra!